Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 BMW 328i. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.